In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Siri to read aloud your notifications in iPhone. So I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Settings app. I'll tap on Settings, give it a moment to load in, and now I'm looking at the main list of options. From here, I'm heading into Accessibility. I'm scrolling down just a bit until I see Accessibility, and I'll tap on it to go inside. This is where you can control how your phone interacts with audio, speech, and responses, which is exactly where we need to be. Now that I'm inside Accessibility, I'm going to scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the screen. I'm just swiping upward, moving past the different sections until I see Siri. Once I spot Siri, I'll tap on it to open those settings. Alright, I'm in the Siri accessibility settings now. From here, I'm going to scroll down again because the option we're looking for is near the bottom. I'm continuing to move down until I see Announce Notifications on Speaker, and I'll tap on that. This brings me into the notification announcement settings, and now I'll tap on Announce Notifications. Once I'm inside that screen, I'm going to turn on Announce Notifications by tapping the toggle. You'll see it switch right away to show it's enabled, and that means Siri is now set to read notifications aloud. At this point, I can go a little further and choose which apps I want Siri to announce notifications for. So I'm looking through the list of apps here, and I'll tap on the ones I want included. As I turn them on, Siri will read notifications from those apps whenever something comes in. And that's basically it. There's nothing else I need to save or confirm because the settings take effect immediately. Once I've selected the apps I want, I can leave settings whenever I'm ready, and Siri will begin reading aloud notifications through the speaker when they arrive.